Alright guys, I run this mini for the 3 stitch and pitches. 746. I'll go back and type live. We are live. 746. 746. Grab a list. Alright, I got 220 spots copied. Just gonna check the top, see how it breaks down here. 22, okay, good. Everything's good there. Alright, we're gonna drop that into random. 220 items. Here's 220 items. Weight on the bottom. Greg Flatten on top. Alright guys, because this is 100 or more spots, we roll 3 dice, 8 or higher. And we have a 10, that's good. We're going to go 10 times. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9 times. Dice is a 10. Next click. We find out our winners. And 10. Congrats to Scott, and Robert. I believe it was top 3 win main spots. We are done. We're going to say 7:48 p.m. We'll go back to the post. We will type done. We are done. 7:48 p.m. 7:48 p.m. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Verification timestamp.